All right, guys, happy Thursday. Thank you for taking a couple of minutes to watch this video. I really wanted to explain today's assignment to you to make sure you're totally clear on what to do. So what you're doing today is you're going to be completing the immigration policies assignment that will be attached. Now this is what it looks like. So what you're going to be doing is looking at 4 different policies that the United States could consider adopting as their immigration policy. You're going to think about which one makes the most sense to you ultimately, okay? So your directions. First off, you are going to read the 4 policy options summary. Now let me show you here. It's a summary. It's really, really short. Not all this, don't worry. It's this one page right here. So in this one page right here, you're going to be reading through and just being like, what is this one mainly about? What's this one mainly about? What's this one? What's this one? Okay? Now, I'm also going to include a short recording of me just reading these 4 different options. So if you want to watch that, that will be attached to the assignment as well. Okay? So that's up to you. You can decide if you want that. Now, once you've read about just the summaries of the 4 policy options, you are going to do part 1, where you drag and drop or cut and paste these different pictures to fit with the 4 different policies. You'll decide, where does this image seem to fit best? Which one does it match up with the best? Okay? Where does this one go? Where does it match up the best? Okay? Then don't forget, after you place each image, you need to make sure to explain how the image fits in a sentence. Just underneath would be great. Okay? Alrighty. So, part 2 of this assignment. You're going to decide, out of the 4 different options, just out of those summaries, right? Which one seems to fit best with a conservative point of view? Okay, there are 2 of them that could possibly fit, but which one do you think, hey, this one I betcha goes with conservative, all right, conservative or Republican? And then you'll decide which one of the 4 seems to fit best with a liberal or Democrat point of view, okay? Please be sure to explain your thinking briefly for each of those choices that you make, all right? Keep in mind that for this one, there could be 2 that fit as well, all righty? So, and then part 3 is a reflection where you decide of those 4 options that are mentioned in that summary, which one do you think makes the most sense? What do you think is the best option? And then, this is what the rest of those pages were for. Look at this. Like, let's say if you're like, option 3, I think option 3 works for me. You're going to scroll down, you're going to find where option 3 is. You're not going to necessarily read all this stuff. Oh my goodness, that's long. No, what I want you to look at is right here, okay? It's right here. It's like a little summary, see? These are the beliefs of option 3, and then you'll decide what's one pro that works for me that I'm like, oh, that makes a lot of sense. I think that's cool. I will use that as evidence in my little paragraph. And then what's one con that I'm like, ooh, this one makes sense to me. I think I'll include that in my little paragraph. Alrighty? That's all there is to it. Please make sure that for each piece of evidence that you choose to include in your paragraph, one pro, one con, sandwich that with a little bit of reasoning in between, okay, to explain your thinking. Alrighty, guys, and that's basically it for that. Now, one other thing I do want to show you is for Friday, okay, you're going to have some options as to, or some choices as to how you demonstrate your chosen policy. Alrighty? So that will be in the attendance question. So the attendance question will be released to you, and you're going to see these options here. Please make sure to choose the option that makes the most sense to you, okay? So if you want to do a Zoom small group discussion, great. You can do that either in the morning or the afternoon. Just let me know that you're planning on showing up so I can have my lists and I'm all prepared. All right? And then also another option is you could create like a digital collage, or you can draw an advertisement that illustrates, promotes, and explains your chosen immigration policy. Another option is you can write a letter to your Colorado senator, whether it's the Republican Senator Cory Gardner or the Democrat Senator Michael Bennet, to explain your viewpoint on immigration. Or you could choose to make a Flipgrid video, which you would make in the morning. Has to be made before like 10 or 11 or something like that. And then you go back and respond to 2 other students' Flipgrid videos in the afternoon. So those are your options. Alrighty? Okay. All right. So I look forward to maybe seeing you tomorrow. That'd be fun. Okay? Let me know what you need. If you have any questions, just reach out through Hangouts or Remind or email or whatever. Alrighty? Okay. Bye-bye.